Hey viewers, I know you are here to know about keratin and smoothing. What is keratin, what is smoothing, and which one is the best, right? So yeah, here I'll explain you everything about keratin and smoothing. So first of all, what is keratin? Keratin is basically it is an artificial protein which helps in reducing hair breakage, dryness, and frizziness. Now, what is smoothing? As the name indicates, it's a procedure of smoothing your hair through ironing. So if you ask my opinion which one is the best, keratin or smoothing, definitely I'll suggest you to go with keratin, not smoothing, because here in keratin first they'll apply protein on your hair and then they'll do like ironing, you know, right? It's a straightener, heat equipment on your hair. In smoothing they'll directly use the heat equipments on your hair, so there are many chances that your hair will get damaged. In keratin, comparatively, there are very less chances your hair gets damaged because they are not directly applying those heat equipments on your hair. In between, the product will be there, so it will protect your hair from heat. So yeah, this is the reason I suggest you keratin. After that, if you have any personal experiences where you felt smoothing is the best, then yeah, it's up to you. So I too personally experienced good results with keratin. My hair fall drastically reduced with keratin a year back when I took the treatment. So now I decided again to go for the second time. Charges wise, both charge same. Keratin and smoothing both charge same. For me they charged 5k. Keratin rate starts from 4k actually. If you have a shoulder length hair, then they'll charge you 4k. If it is beyond, then the prices varies depending upon your volume and length. And coming to the procedure wise, it takes approximately 3 hours. First they do hair wash and then blow dry and then apply protein. After applying protein, they'll make us to wait for 40 to 15 minutes. After that, blow dry and iron. So ironing is the last part of the day. After that, they'll suggest you to visit after 2 days for a hair wash. In these 2 days, you should be very careful with your hair. You should completely avoid hairbands, ponytails, and you should make sure your hair is not getting wet. So after 2 days when you visit, they'll again iron your hair. They'll again wash and apply some mask, and then they'll blow dry and trim the split ends. So this is the procedure. After this, you have to buy the product suggested by them, like shampoo and conditioner. They'll suggest you because the products they suggest is like complete sulfate free, so that is the best option because outside you may not get those products. So my personal opinion is, please take the products suggested by them, because they know which one is the best after keratin treatment. So it's always best to follow their suggestions. Yeah, this is my, like, you can see the results. Look at the results before and after. There is a drastic change in my hair after the keratin treatment, right? So this is my second experience keratin. I am absolutely loving it.